on friends, today we are making delicious pan-fried chicken. For this recipe, you will need brine chicken. Here's how to brine the chicken. Combine 5 cups of water with 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Completely dissolve the salt into the water. Next, place the chicken to be fried into a large bowl. And pour the brine over the chicken. Brine the chicken for 6 hours or longer. You will also need milk, eggs, all-purpose flour, seasoned salt, garlic powder, and cooking oil. Begin by combining the milk and eggs in a large saucepan. Thoroughly mix the eggs and milk. Combine the all-purpose flour, seasoned salt, and garlic powder. Mix these together. Begin by placing the brine chicken into the flour mixture and thoroughly coat the chicken. Now place the coated chicken into the egg mixture. And back to the flour mixture. Fry the chicken over medium-high heat for 10 minutes on each side. Cover the chicken for the first 10 minutes of frying. Wow, did you guys hear that crunch? That's fried chicken. And the inside seasoned perfectly. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.